Hello everyone, I'm Em. Welcome back to TechBlock. Today's going to be kind of a chill vlog, me doing random stuff throughout the video. No idea what I want to do really, just kind of going to vlog a part of my day. We just got a delivery from Amazon, so we're going to be unboxing a bunch of stuff. It's kind of actually some stuff I ordered for this room as well, so that's kind of why I pulled out the camera, because I basically, now this is going to sound a bit weird, yeah, but I bought myself a yoga mat or like some kind of exercise fitness, basically just like this foam mat thing, and I already have one, so I bought a second one because I have one in my bedroom already. Let me flip the camera over, and I basically have this whole thing. This is exactly how it looks like. It's just from this random company called ProWorks. They're pretty cheap, but essentially the reason I actually bought one of these in the first place, the first one I bought, I put in my bedroom, and I bought it to do abs on. So I'm now training my abs finally, because believe it or not, I don't really train that muscle group very much. It's something I've kind of neglected over the years, but I figured I'll pick up one of these, like, you know, nice foam pads that I can lay on and actually like do my abs on. So bought one of them, but I ended up bringing that foam pad to this room for some strange reason, and it actually matches up perfectly with the dimensions of the racing sim. So I thought, why don't I buy a second one? Because I still want to use mine, obviously. So I bought a second one, and I'm gonna put this yoga mat beneath this racing sim. Not only will it kind of, you know, hopefully help with the echo in this room, because it's like a foam thingy. Hopefully it's gonna help dampen the sound a bit and make this room sound a tiny bit less echoey, which is always good because echo is still a pretty big problem in this room. And on top of that, it'll probably make moving the racing sim around way easier if it's on like this foam thingy. And it won't damage the floor either, it won't scratch my floor up. So there's a couple reasons why I bought this, and it's pretty cheap. It's like £15 or something, so it's gonna be a nice little upgrade for the racing sim. And on top of that, we got some other tech in here too, I hope. If I kind of like open this Amazon box up a bit, you can see what's inside. Well, right here, I bought myself a brand new weight scale. This is from a company called Innotech. Not sponsored, nothing in this video is sponsored. But I bought this myself. This is like some Bluetooth. It's pretty heavy actually, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. It's like a Bluetooth smart scale, but I kind of already have a similar one of these in my bathroom. But the problem with mine is that it doesn't really tell me much. It's like one of the Nokia ones, but it's like the cheap ones, it's like the really cheap ones with very few features. This one will try to somehow estimate my body fat percentage, water weight, bone mass, protein, body fat, just all sorts of weird stuff. Like, I'm gonna get way more information out of this smart scale than like the one I currently have. So picked this guy up basically for, like, you know, health reasons, you know, looking after myself. I want to know how much I weigh, so we're gonna unbox that guy soon. And then we got another box right in front of me here that I'm also going to now unbox. Well, what is this? What else did I buy? Ooh, oh, this is, what the hell? No way it is this tiny. How am I meant to sit on this? I mean, I can try, but I expected this to be a lot bigger. This is tiny. I bought this cushion on Amazon, right? It's basically like, it's called a meditation mat or a meditation cushion that you sit on and you meditate on. I kind of thought this product would be way bigger, but can I even sit on this? Bruh, this is for like, how? Who sits on these? I mean, I guess it kind of works. What the hell have I bought? I bought like a mini cushion. How am I meant to sit on this? Like, it's kind of comfy actually, but it looks too small, man. I don't know about this. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna try use it, because this is going in my bedroom, that cushion. But yeah, that's the thing. I really did expect this to be way bigger. This is a tiny little cushion that you're meant to sit on. Anyway, moving on. These are, I think, one of the best ones out there on the market. Also, I'm literally like recording this video in front of my nano-leaf light panels that are like constantly changing color. But these batteries right here, these AAA ones from Duracell, they're rechargeable, and I think they're around like 900 milliamp hours each. So they're pretty good, they're very consistent, like they're just high quality batteries. And at the moment I find myself using a lot of these AAA, AA batteries and all, so picked up a few more because I've kind of ran out after doing the whole LED toilet project where we made literally every single bathroom RGB. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I can show you one of the bathrooms right now. So if we turn on this light, oh actually, wait a minute, we don't even need to turn on a light, man. You open up the door and you're greeted with an RGB toilet. This is what we needed, man. So it changes colors, it's a dope ass toilet, and that's not the only one that has RGB. Oh hell nah. If we go into my bathroom too, flip the camera around, da 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 da. Oh, will it turn on? There you go. So we have an RGB toilet inside of here as well. It's the sickest thing ever. And then if you haven't seen my video about like this whole thing that I set up, we got like LED mood lighting everywhere, man. It's sick. And not only is it in that room, it's also in the office area, so kind of sticking to like a consistent theme. I need to unbox these batteries, and apparently they're pre-charged, but we can check if they're pre-charged by popping them into my battery recharger. That's what I'm gonna probably do anyway, just pop them straight into there. Let's see if they're actually charged. Oh, okay, wow. So it says pre-charged, yeah, but this is apparently 27% charged. What about this one? This is 22% charge. I mean, they've been at the Amazon warehouse for God knows how long. 27% charge. Oh, there we go. So they're all not pre-charged at all. Right, so we'll get those batteries charged up. We'll use them later for, you know, whatever we need to use them for. Let's unbox these smart scales, because I think these need to connect to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or something. So we do have to actually set them up, but hopefully they're going to be nice and good. And I can finally measure my body fat percentage. Now, bear in mind though, with these kind of scales and the whole body fat percentage measuring, it's not going to be like 100% accurate. Absolutely not. Even with like DEXA scans and all sorts of other body fat measuring techniques out there nowadays, they're not very accurate still to this day. Like, they're probably off by, you know, multiple percentage points. So even if this scale goes ahead and reports my body fat percentage as being like 10% or something, it's probably more like 12, 13 or 14 realistically. But yeah, that's the body fat scale thingy. Let's unbox it, because I actually want to set it up and, you know, weigh myself, check my body fat percentage. Now, even though it's going to be a little bit inaccurate, you know, I can still get kind of like somewhat of a rough idea of what my body fat percentage might be, because it is kind of a cool thing to keep track of, especially if you're like into fitness and you're training and stuff. This product does not have RGB, by the way, in case any of you are wondering, but they are very nice actually. Ooh, they're fairly nice. All right, so this is how the scale looks like, and you can even see the reflection of my camera there. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Very simple design and everything. Oh my God, it's turned on already. It's doing stuff. So we have to put this on a flat surface apparently, and then obviously weigh ourselves. Okay, so I turned the scale on. I think it's all gonna be working fine. If I step on it, will it start doing stuff? Okay, so it's currently in pounds. Now, bear in mind that it's not like the morning. I've already like drank some stuff, I've ate some food. So this is obviously not gonna be like my accurate weight. You should probably be weighing yourself in the morning. But apparently there's a button somewhere on the back of this thing that allows you to switch between pounds and kilograms. And that button literally happens to be where the batteries are. So luckily this thing does actually come with 3 batteries, so that's cool. It's gonna probably last quite a while, at least I hope it will. At least now the readout is in kilograms, but you know, bear in mind, I'm wearing jeans, I'm wearing clothes, I'm holding a GoPro in my hand, so this is not accurate, but yeah, it says 71 kg. I'm guessing this might just be like a Bluetooth scale, so you just connect with via Bluetooth. Easy peasy, and you know, when you get close to it, when you're nearby the scale, it'll just automatically pair to your phone all the time. And I'm pretty sure the way it's all gonna work is whenever you step on the scale and it reads your weight and reads, you know, whatever measurements it wants to read, is gonna send all of that data over Bluetooth straight to the app on your phone, categorize everything all for you and everything. So like, it's gonna be nice and easy. You can easily track your weight and look back at different dates, you know, what you used to weigh and everything. So, okay, InnoTech would like to use Bluetooth. Right, your device is not paired. Step on the scale. Okay, so it's telling me, whoa. Okay, it's somehow just automatically paired without me doing anything. Cool. Oh, wait a minute. So you can step on the scale and what, it will give you a live readout on your phone as well of like everything? Step on the scale barefoot. 71 kg, let me put the phone down. Realistically, I probably weigh around like 69, 69.5. Okay, so the app has given me a whole bunch of information about BMI and then nothing else really. It says, please do not move on the app. Is it finally estimating like, oh, it is, it finally did body fat. Okay, so I kind of actually guessed roughly right. It says 12.9% body fat. Yeah, I'll give him that. Sounds roughly about right. It could be 13, could be 14, could be even 12 exactly. It's like roughly in that region. But Yeah, 12.9% body fat, 45.5% muscle. Just a lot of cool information. So it even tells me by BMR, which I think is like my basal metabolic rate. You can press on all these little things and find out more about what all these things are in your body. But this BMR estimate right here that the scale gives you is the estimated number of calories your body needs to burn in order to keep your body functioning. So that's like the baseline level of calories you kind of need throughout the day to keep, like, you know, all your organs going, your heart beating, all these important things, you know, keep you breathing. You know, you need at least, or at least I need at least 1750 calories per day to keep myself going like that. But that's cool. However, when it comes to all the information the scale is actually giving you, you know, take it with like a grain of salt, because it might not be 100% accurate, especially with things like bone mass and body fat. You know, it's gonna be a little bit off probably. By the way, guys, as always, you know, link in the description down below if you want to go buy yourself a 6 scale or a miniature meditation cushion. I really thought that thing was gonna be bigger, but I'm gonna try it out. If I don't like it, I'm gonna probably send that product back. But we can put the new scale here, and then this old scale. Yeah, it's like the Nokia one, man. I have like some Nokia weight scale, man. What is this? Apart from that though, there's one more thing we gotta get done. This video is genuinely like the most random thing ever. But if you want to see more random vlogs with M, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to bring you some random vlogs of me buying, you know, all sorts of weird stuff on Amazon, like yoga mats, meditation cushions, batteries, weight scales, and you know, I'll gladly make some videos about them. Why not? This yoga mat, this is a product I actually wanted so bad for this racing sim, just to help reduce the echo in the room, and of course help save my floor. I don't want to be damaging the floor here, scratching it. So putting the entire racing sim on top of something like a yoga mat that will also hopefully help with soundproofing is a good idea, I think. Okay, I think it all fits pretty well on there actually. Pretty damn well. Just got to make sure we center it all. Okay, now I just have to move the whole racing sim with the yoga mat at the same time back to this side. Minor upgrade there to the racing sim. I even improved the cable management a little bit too. If you look down here, the power cable to actually power this whole setup for the racing sim is actually right here. The power supply is here, and it goes all the way back there and is powered from the cable coming from the wall there. So now that we did all this and actually upgraded the racing sim ever so slightly, I do actually have some gigantic GT Omega stickers that GT Omega gave me to actually put on the side of this racing sim. So I'm gonna just grab those because they kind of just been sitting in storage and I should really use them. This is what I was talking about right here, like a giant GT Omega sticker that you would slap basically right here on the side just beneath the chair. And then I'll put another one over on the other side as well, but you know, you can't really see that very much anyway. There you go, dude, check that out. This racing sim looks like so much more official, so much more professional almost. Like, look at them logos on the side, you know, GT Omega all over the place. Then we got the old Logitech G920 steering wheel, and we even have the Logitech Shifter, but I think it's kind of fallen off but I think it's kind of like not attached properly because I don't think I'm going to be changing gears like this. Like, imagine driving a car and trying to change gears with this gear stick. I think I need to like properly attach it onto the racing sim. Yo, check this thing out, dude. We got the gear shifter on. Check this out, dude. The whole racing sim is literally like 100% complete and ready to go. We've got the stickers on here. We've got the yoga mat underneath. It's actually kind of nice to sit here. You know, it's not like a hardwood floor. Like, it almost kind of feels a bit more like you're in a car or something, you know, more of like the whole simulator experience. And, you know, we have a gear shift, of course, now. We can go into reverse, you know, full manual gearbox, all sick. We even have a cup holder right here, dude. This racing sim came with a cup holder. Are you kidding me? Like, we could put a can of Monster here. Like, there's a genuine cup holder. This is insane. Just put on your Oculus Rift S headset, hop on this racing sim, and it's the sickest time ever, especially in Dirt Rally 2. That's like the only racing game I have for VR. I think I really need to get my hands on Project Cars 2, because oh my god, how much fun that would be. So yeah, probably gonna get my hands on Project Cars 2 sometime soon. But apart from that, guys, I'm gonna probably end this video here because that's kind of like everything I had planned for today. Just cheeky little unboxing video of a few random things I bought on Amazon. But yeah, it's just kind of been a vlog. Yeah, if you want to go see more of these videos in the future, like random vlogs here and there, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to make some more. But until then, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.